all-new Indian Scout.
The Indian Scout Classic, Scout Bobber, Sport Scout, Super Scout, and the brand new 101 Scout. Each powered by an entirely new motor, steel tube frame, and a host of new features throughout. The all-new lineup takes Indian Scout performance to new heights, while preserving the unmistakable design aesthetic that has been the Scout's calling card for more than a century. Only Indian Motorcycle could redefine the American cruiser by reinventing the most timeless model of its past. A bike born from icons and ridden by legends.
We're done making history. Introducing the all-new Indian Scout. A machine more than 100 years in the making. Heralded by the return of the legendary 101 Scout. With its harmonic blend of style and substance. Where iconic American design, rider-focused technology, and spirited performance work together to create an unrivaled balance of power and control. All this delivered to you in our newly designed 1250cc engine. Forged from our competitive spirit, for you to make your own history.
The all-new 2025 Sport Scout brings an aggressive edge to the Scout lineup. With improved performance, ergonomics designed for hard riding, and custom-inspired styling straight from the factory. 6-inch risers are machined with contrasting finishes, providing a custom look and sporty ergonomics, improving reach and control for aggressive riding. Carrying that machined aesthetic through, a new upper triple clamp holds 41mm forks with 4.7 inches of travel. 3 inches of rear travel increases comfort and capability for aggressive riding without compromising style. The Sport Scout's quarter fairing brings a stylish look while providing wind protection on the road. Easily adjustable bar end mirrors take this look even further while improving visibility on the road. Metzler Cruise Tech tires are paired with 8-spoke cast wheels. The low-profile tire highlights the Sport Scout's 19-inch front wheel, a key to this model's trademark stance and sporty handling characteristics. The Sport Scout seat features a high back bolster and firm bump stop, excellent for support through hard launches, while remaining comfortable and compliant on long-mile days. Blacked-out finishes front to rear give the Sport Scout an aggressive custom style. Paired with matte black or gloss paint options, the Sport Scout brings a premium feel ready for you to enjoy right from the factory. Or take the reins and customize your Scout further with a full line of available accessories. Add an aggressive look with smoked turn signals, blacked-out levers, or radial RS mirrors from Rizoma. Add some functionality to day trips with bobber saddlebags. Increase visibility with the Pathfinder LED headlight. Or add 10-inch Moto handlebar risers to improve style and control for a more aggressive riding position. When it comes to stripped-down, slammed aggressive style, nothing comes close to the all-new Scout Bobber. Our best-selling Scout since its introduction, blacked out from tip to tail. The Bobber's slammed silhouette is a balance of performance and iconic style. Now updated for 2025, Indian Motorcycle kicks it up a notch with premium detailing, updated bodywork, and improved performance to back it up. The Scout Bobber features blacked out finishes and showcases its 16-inch front and rear wheels and wide sidewall tires with bobbed front and rear fenders. The contour lines on the rear fender seamlessly connect with the modern and dynamic Scout gas tank, creating a unified and premium aesthetic. The timeless headlight nacelle completes the look while adding a touch of old-school charm to the unmistakable Scout Bobber design. The Bobber's solo seat blends comfort with durability, offering a visually minimal design that places the rider low in the bike and maintains the quintessential Bobber silhouette. Designed for both style and function, the low seat height ensures support during hard launches and extended cruising. The Bobber features slammed suspension, positioning the iconic rear fender tight to the rear tire, with enough damping power to still ensure a plush and comfortable ride. Enhancing both visibility and classic Bobber aesthetics, the low-mounted handlebars feature bar-end mirrors, combining form with function seamlessly. With a wide range of accessories to choose from, there is no shortage of ways to make the Scout Bobber your own. The Syndicate Rider backrest provides extra support, keeping you comfortable and in control mile after mile. Add aggressive styling with smoked turn signals or radial RS mirrors from Rizoma, or add a lightweight storage option with the Bobber saddlebag for added function without sacrificing style. For over 100 years, the Indian Scout has been an iconic figure in American motorcycling. The all-new Indian Scout Classic delivers an experience that honors the Scout's lineage by elevating its legendary combination of power and control, while adding rider-centric technology that reinforces its position as a class-leading cruiser. The Scout Classic carries a modern interpretation of the iconic Indian motorcycle sweeping fender design. If you want chrome, this is it. Chrome trim accentuates these lines and is carried through onto the premium exhaust, engine covers, and components, while 16-inch wire wheels take this authentic style one step further. Timeless two-tone paint is inspired by Indian motorcycle heritage and leans into the Classic's historic look and feel. Relaxed ergonomics provide a comfortable riding position for commuting or weekend trips. The Scout Classic is laid back enough for long rides, but sporty and versatile when you need it to be. 3 inches of suspension travel provides an improved ride overall, increasing lean angle and improving both small and large bump compliance. Customize your Scout Classic with a wide variety of options, including a Syndicate seat and passenger pegs for enhanced riding comfort, and a Pathfinder 5 3/4 adaptive LED headlight for unparalleled illumination of the road ahead. Pinnacle mirrors add heritage styling, and the Ram X Grip phone mount allows you to carry your mobile device safely and easily accessible. Extend your time on the road with the touring bags, providing ample storage for your essentials on a day or overnight trip. Carry additional gear with the rear solo rack and all-weather vinyl tail bag. Rider floorboards offer space to move your feet around on long rides. And the polycarbonate 20-inch quick-release touring windshield keeps you riding for longer, with protection from wind and road debris. For the ultimate blend of modern cruiser and iconic Scout style. For riders seeking longer miles and greater comfort, the all-new Indian Super Scout answers the call in style. New saddlebags on the Super Scout have been reinforced for structure and security and offer next-level ease of use with a simple pull tab and our largest capacity ever offered for a Scout. So you have plenty of room for everything you need, whether a day ride or an overnight trip. The Super Scout's windshield protects from wind, bugs, and road debris, shielding you from the elements and letting you ride in comfort. If it's a hot day and you want to catch the breeze, or just want that stripped down look, The quick-release windshield detaches in seconds with an all-new premium cast clip mechanism. 3 inches of rear suspension travel offers both small and large bump compliance, greater ground clearance, and a 33-degree lean angle. 2-up seating comes standard on the Sport Scout, as do passenger pegs and pillion, so you can share the ride with a friend or loved one. High-quality chrome finishes accent the Super Scout's timeless style and modern relevance. Retro paint is exclusive to Super Scout models, inspired by Indian motorcycle heritage, and pairs with this model's wire wheels for high-class traditional styling and premium authentic feel. Enhance the comfort and functionality of your Scout with premium accessories, including highway pegs and steel front highway bars. Pathfinder LED driving lights provide unparalleled illumination of the road ahead in any condition. Comfort is further enhanced with the available rider and passenger floorboards, and the Syndicate low-profile passenger backrest and touring backrest pad. When you're seeking confidence-inspiring touring, heritage-influenced styling, and all-day comfort on the open road, the all-new Super Scout is here to answer the call.